and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. I'm not gonna show you guys my face because I'm not really prepared, charot. I'm not really into makeup, but I want to learn and I want to get something that is branded but affordable price. So lucky I found these items from Morphe kasi nga nagkaroon ng collaboration si Morphe at si Jeffree Star. And you know naman guys, Jeffree Star, diba? He has very good taste when it comes to makeup. I've been watching some of his video and I'm so amazed. Anyway, when I ordered these items, Morphe has up to 75% off. And itong order ko na to guys ay limited stock na, and yung mga gusto ko talagang orderin na items ni Jeffree Star ay out of stock na. So lucky, meron pa silang stock nito. Kasi nga, di ba guys, Jeffree Star at its sale, so good. Anyway, let's open this box na para makita na natin kung ano yung laman niya. Tada! This is the Morphe Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. Ayan, ang ganda ng kulay, di ba guys? Ang ganda ng packaging. And try nga natin. Oh my God! It's so bango. Para ka nag-cologne guys. Strawberry flavor siya, para siyang candy. It's so powerful and so refreshing. I love it. Ayan, nakalagay yung strawberry doon sa takip. Sobrang bango talaga. Mahilig kasi ako sa mga sweets na amoy, kaya I love it. And this is the brushes. Oh, ang cute ng packaging. Diba? I love talaga Jeffree Star kasi I love the coloring. Morphe by Jeffree Star Eye Brushes Collection. So it comes guys with this little pink bag. Oh, ang ganda. So you can guys, you can get it set or you can buy it individually as well. Eh, look at that. Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya guys. Ito natin yung brush. Wow! Sobrang soft. Sobrang soft niya guys. Ang ganda. Well, Jeffree Star, syempre. Diba? And hindi siya ganun kamahal. Nakuha ko pala to guys na $16. Pero yung regular price niya ay $42. Ayan, ang lambot. Sobrang lambot. And I love the bag. See that? Ang cute lang. Ito palang guys, Set and Refresh Mist ay nakuha ko to ng $6. Pero yung regular price niya is $18. If you want to order Jeffree Star product, he has a collaboration with Morphe, so check Morphe online. And thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below. And see ya on my next video. Paalam!
child.